Hier sind wir ganz gewöhnlich zu Hause. Es ist ganz toll.
Hallo.
Hallo. Es gibt gar nichts zu sehen. Oder vielleicht doch. Warte. A blizzard. That's right. Now, my mother is going to take the camera. Whoop.
Okay.
And we're going to go and have a little demonstration.
Leave the door open.
Can you see?
Sort of.
Okay, this could get dangerous. Just so you know.
Ah!
As you can see, it's going a little bit hard. The wind is going in this direction. I'm sure glad that I don't have to sleep out here tonight.
Hello.
Thank you for attending our presentation of the blizzard. This is a lovely shot of our window. Oh wait.
You should just go right around the corner.
Here, you hold that
and
there.
take a picture out that way.
You
so
hold
see
that
the...
there.
Okay.
We got it. We got it.
Alright. I'm holding it there. Jeff, you will be the snowman.
And for the record, the first day of April is tomorrow.
Almost today. Okay, walk out
Almost
with your
today.
famous camera. Walk outside and take a picture around the corner, just from the
Thank you
porch.
and goodbye.